Get ready after 5 seconds. Start. Sir, planning is the vital instrument we have adopted to realize the social objectives enshrined in our constitution. Full stop. Through the 5-year plans, we have already achieved a significant increase in the national income in the past 18 years and laid the foundations of technological advance. Full stop. The plan is fast modernizing our agriculture and strengthening and diversifying our industry. Full stop. Above all, it has reinforced national unity and purpose. Full stop. The attack on our territory in 1962 and again in 1965 forced us to modify the pattern of national expenditure. Full stop. Before we could reconcile the competing claims of development and defense, drought struck us. Full stop. Foreign credits became uncertain. Full stop. Recession followed. Full stop. All these seriously restricted our freedom of choice. We had to divert our energies to fight drought and near famine and their aftermath. Full stop. For some time, long term planning had to be virtually suspended. Full stop. We succeeded in turning adversity to good use. Full stop. We concentrated on import substitution, which further enlarged our industrial base. Full stop. This, along with the need for more foreign exchange, put us on the path of a more fruitful export drive. Full stop. We maintained our investment in development work, especially in intensive agricultural programs. Full stop. A new period has now opened. Full stop. There is a welcome upsurge in the economy and the increases in agricultural production have brought us nearer to self-sufficiency in food grains. Full stop. But inevitably there are other problems and a fresh challenge to face. Full stop. Rural disparities have increased, partly owing to the very efforts we have made to move rapidly towards self-sufficiency in food and partly owing to a certain slowness in the matter of implementing the land reforms. Full stop. Although the industrial recession has been curbed, new industries are not coming up fast enough and unemployment, especially of technically trained persons, continues to be acute. Full stop. We have a larger and understandably enough and more distinct population. Full stop. Planning is the method to which we are committed for meeting such challenges. Full stop. We have carried out 3 5-year plans. Full stop. Each 5-year plan has addressed itself specially to problems we have emerged either because of new political and economic developments in the country and in the world or as a consequences of progress we have already achieved. Full stop. The priorities and the emphasis have necessarily changed and have had to be adjusted from plan to plan, but we have always kept in view our long term objectives and their achievement. Full stop.